Okay, let's go.
Hey Blooms! Welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we are going to watch the Honey Honey official visualizer. My gosh! Why did I miss this? Ngayon ko lang siya panonoorin. Oh my goodness. Why did I miss this? Akala ko na-react ko na to, pero I think official lyric video lang ng Honey Honey yung nagawa natin, and didn't even know na may visualizer sila. My goodness. Huh. So, let's do this. Hindi pwedeng hindi natin to mapanood. Kaya simulan na natin to. Super late, but at least I'm gonna watch them. Let's go. Hindi pa pala. Ito na. Hey! You didn't tell me that they have this? Look at their face. Oh, come on. I love that. Oh, yeah? Ganda. Ganda yung sakong. Ganda mo, Gwenny. Right, Jo. Hey. That look of me, Kalim. I love it. I love it. Kaya yun na, makulit. Well, you didn't tell me this. Uy, almost. Juliet yun. Saan ka ni Mika dun? Ay, grabe si Aya at Stacey. Ang Josie ko. Hey. Alright. That's cutie dog. Sige. Ang daming Mikayo dun ba? Ganda ni Aya. Ganda ni Mika. Hey. Ganda ng princess natin. Ang cute ng dog na yun. Nakita ko siya sa mga pictures. I didn't know that they are here. Aww. Ba't wala si Honey? Oh, there you go. Aww. So cute. Their visuals, come on. Gaganda nila. Ay, let's go, Lord. I love that. Doon pala nagsimula ang lahat ng pa-visualizer nila. My goodness. And I didn't even know that. I forgot the name ng cute puppy na yun, but nakita siya sa mga pictures. And dito pala yun. Dito pala yun sa Honey visualizer. And I love that. Kitang-kita yung visuals nila. Kaya pala visualizer. Angas. So, ang cute ng Honey. I love that too. And syempre, favorite yan ng bias wrecker natin. Yun lang. At least, napanood na natin siya. My goodness. So, thank you for joining me here, and see you in my next reaction video. Bye!